Hello, friends, welcome to our YouTube channel where we bring you the ultimate inspiration for transforming your living spaces with stunning designer stone wall design collection. In this video, we have curated a captivating collection of exquisite stone wall designs that will leave you just mesmerized. From modern and minimalistic stone accent to rustic and timeless creations, this compilation showcases a diverse range of stone wall designs that cater to various tastes and preferences. Whether you are looking to add a touch of elegance to your home or seeking innovative ideas for your next interior design project, you will find plenty of inspiration here. Our video takes you on a visual journey through these remarkable stone wall designs, highlighting their unique texture, color, and applications. We also provide valuable insights and tips on how to incorporate these designs into your own space, ensuring a harmonious blend of aesthetics and functionality. Join us in exploring the beauty of versatility of designer stone wall design in this comprehensive collection. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design inspiration, tips, and trends. Let's embark on this creative journey together. Thank you for watching.